To use your Defender Guard camera, you will need to register an account. This is how you do it. Go to your phone's app store and search for the Defender Guard app, and download it. Open the app and click the sign up link. Select your country and tap Next. Click Defender Guard Registration Agreement to view the privacy agreement. Tap the checkmark next to I have read and agreed to the privacy agreement. You will receive a verification code in the email you provided. This code will be valid for 15 minutes. Enter that code and tap OK. Your Defender Guard account is now registered and you can now connect a camera.